Hello, I'm Brian. I'm down from the Stone Trust to teach a workshop on dry stone walling here at the Stoneyard. And we just got set up. We've got retail tools here, upcoming courses. We run about 35 courses a year or so, sometimes as many as 50 different courses teaching dry stone work and related practices, flagging, stairs. Here at the Stone Trust, we're set up with a great selection of the stone that they sell. You can see we're ready to build about a 50-foot long section of wall here. We've got a mix of some reclaimed granite curbing, a whole lot of the Boston blend wall stone, which is primarily what we're going to be building with, and a mixture of some other material as well. Over the next 2 days, we're going to be building a wall that's going to come up to the height of the frames that you see here, and actually a little bit higher, and teaching all of the practical techniques so that not only will the wall be strong and sound and last, should be over 100 years, but it's also efficient to build. We'll hope to see you at a future workshop.